There once was a hare who liked to race all the time. He raced every animal all the way down the line. He easily won every race, as he was the fastest there is, and always celebrated when he won, because every victory was his. "Who wants to race me next?" he asked his friends. "I am the fastest animal on land." They all shook their heads no, but the tortoise raised his hand. "I will race you," the tortoise said to the hare without fail, while his friends tried to stop him, but it was to no avail. "You want to run against me?" The hare laughed at his face. "I will meet you at the starting line, where we will start the race." He did as he said and walked to the front without a care. "I got this," said the tortoise to his friends, and followed the hare. The tortoise walked towards the line, with plenty of time to spare. There he saw the hare pick up a rock and throw it in the air. When the rock fell to the ground, the hare took off at top speed. The tortoise watched him calmly, then started running with ease. But running made the hare tired, and he wanted to sleep on the ground. So he checked on the tortoise, who was all the way down. The tortoise saw the hare take a nap and was sleeping just fine. So he ran as fast as he could to get to the finish line. His friends were all excited and told him to hurry. This woke up the hare, wondering about all the flurry. When he saw the tortoise was about to win, he started to run, trying his best to catch up, because if he lost, it would be no fun. Yet the tortoise crossed the finish line first, winning the race. The hare was too late and couldn't hide the disappointment from his face. The other animals celebrated the win and hoisted the tortoise in the air, while the hare learned that sometimes slow and steady wins the race, as the tortoise won fair and square.
Good day everyone, my name is Aileen Arevalo from SC11 Lucena Pastor, BSED English 2. So, I discuss today the story of the tortoise and here teach important lesson about perseverance, humility, and determination. I give here a clear explanation of its part. So, this is the part of the story. Number 1 is characters. The character is the tortoise. Slow, patient, determined, and hardworking. The hare, fast, confident, but overly proud and careless. The setting of the story is, the story takes place in a forest or countryside where the animals gather to watch the race. The theme of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Then, consistency, perseverance, and humility lead to success. The plot of the story is the hare boasts about the fastest animal. Next is the tortoise challenge him to a race. Third is during the race, the hare runs for ahead and becomes overconfident. He decides to rest and falls asleep. He decides to rest and falls asleep. Next is, meanwhile, the tortoise keeps moving steadily. Next is, when the hare wakes up, the rush to the finish line, but the tortoise has already won. So, the moral lesson is, never underestimate others. Hard work and perseverance are more important than natural talent alone. And the last is, pride can lead to failure. We have a short quiz today, okay? So I give you a flashcard and to answer my question, okay? Okay, we have activity here, the Scrabble board and the comprehension question. So I give you a flashcard to write your answer to this flashcard, okay? Okay, are you ready? You already finished? Okay, pass your flashcard and we will answer the question. Okay, this is the first question is comprehension. So, this is the question. Number 1. How did the tortoise win the race? This is your answer, okay? The number 1 is, the tortoise won the race by being slow and steady. Okay, very good. Okay. Question number 2 is, what was the hare's problem? This is your answer. The hare's problem was that he was too confident and lazy. Okay, very good. And number 3 is, what lesson did the hare learn? Okay, this is your answer. Number 3, the hare learned that slow and steady wins the race. Very good. So we have the Scrabble board. The hare. Number 1 is the hare. This is the where is the hare? This. Okay, this is the hare. Number 2 is race. Where is the race? The race is here. This is the race. Then the tortoise. Okay. Tortoise is. Okay, na ito si tortoise. The last is fast. Okay, the last is fast. Okay, this is the fast. Okay, class, very good. I have here a real life example or evaluation question. The evaluation question is, think of a situation in your life where being patient and consistent help you succeed. How is your experience similar to the tortoise journey? What a great question. Let's say, and learning new skills like playing a musical instrument. I practice consistently, even if it's just for a few minutes every day. At first, I may not to see progress, but slowly I'm building those skills. It's like the tortoise, moving steadily forwards to the finish line. Maybe it's not the fastest, but it wins in the end. Similarly, being patient and consistent help more achieve my goals, even if it's a slow progress. I don't get discouraged. I keep moving forward, facing life challenges. And the conflict and resolution is the about the tortoise and hare. The conflict is the hare is very fast and boasts that no one can beat him. The tortoise challenges him to a race. During the race, the hare runs ahead but becomes overconfident. He uh, he stopped to rest and fall asleep, thinking he was plenty of time to win. So the resolution is the tortoise keeps going slowly and steady. He stays focused and does not give up. When the hare woke up and rushed to the finish line, it is too late. The tortoise has already won the race. That's all. Thank you.